friends, welcome back to another episode of Stitch on Saturday. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a tassel using the Clover Tassel Maker, and you're going to need a pair of scissors and some yarn. Today I'm using paint box cotton aran yarn I had left over in my scrap yarn stash. So basically, let me explain to you the tassel maker. It's pretty simple. It's just you have a bunch of sizes here. On the back you can see the different sizes of the tassels, but basically you can adjust the frame so it's longer or shorter based on how big you want your tassel to be. So I'm going to go with the smallest size today, just to show you guys how to do it. And basically, you know, before I had the tassel maker, I would use a piece of cardboard, but this makes it much easier and gives me a lot of size options. So it's great to have. But basically what you're going to do is you are going to wrap your yarn around this over here and just tighten it in place, and then just wrap your yarn around here as many times as you'd like. If you want it to be thicker or thinner, that's up to you. I'm gonna wrap it around a few times. Probably gonna do like 15 rounds or something, 15 or 20 rounds, just to make it a thick tassel. Just gonna wrap it, just wrapping it around. Alright, I think this is good. And then what you want to do is you're going to hold it in place. So I'm going to cut, leaving a little bit of a tail, and then I'm going to take some extra yarn. It's about 8 inches. I'm just going to tie a knot here on it. So that it's tight. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go through, your scissor goes through this little space here, and you just cut it. And then you want to do the same thing on the other side. Make sure you're holding it tight so that it doesn't become all wonky. So I'm going to cut again, go through and cut. There you go. And there's the beginnings of your tassel, and you can shift this little knot that you did in the middle, just kind of move it over if your sides don't look even. I think it's longer on this side, so I'm just gonna pull it this way a little. There, I think that's good. And then basically what you're gonna do is just fold it over like that, and then I'm gonna cut this. So I think this is the 2-inch tassel. So it's the smallest size. So if you want a longer one, just you have to shift the frame, or if you're using a piece of cardboard, just okay, there goes. You want to trim it so that it's even, and then just wrap around this extra yarn that you had here. Just wrap it around like this. So just wrap it around to create a little head. And if you're attaching this to something else, just make sure that there's a little bit of a space here so that you can put your hook through, or whatever, however you're attaching it, if you can get through that space. And just attach so. And then you just want to tie a knot, and then you're gonna just tie a knot here. Tie a knot like so. It's easier when it's flat on here. And just tie a knot here again to make it like that. And I know some people actually take a yarn needle and just put this through the inside so that everything's inside the tassel, and that makes it much easier. We could just cut this part, and that's your tassel, and then you can just attach it to anything you'd like. And I hope you enjoyed that tutorial, and please do like, follow, subscribe, and share if you found it useful. I'll see you next time.